Hi everyone, I'm just hopping on here with Urban Hydration. I was going to show you one of their products today, which is one of my favorite products and how I use it and why I love it. So anyway, I have the Urban Hydration Honey Pro Edge Control, and me having frizzy hair, it's hard to find stuff to control the frizz. So after I straighten my hair, I go ahead and open this up, and it's an edge controller, and it works so good with the frizz. So I didn't do it yet today. You can see the little frizzies up top. So I just take a little bit on my finger and just run it through my hair ever so slightly, and it gets all of the little frizzies taken care of. And me having naturally curly hair, I'm always fighting with the frizz, and I love this product. It fights the humidity outside, helps keep my hair nice and straight. And as you can see, I'm just running it through on that top where I'm most prone to getting those frizzies, just like that. Here we go. Just like that. And as you can see how much more smooth it is now compared to before I put this on. I would definitely recommend you guys check them out. They have a ton of different products. I'll be hopping on here with some other products featuring them, but I just wanted to show you guys this one for today. So definitely stay tuned, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at NurseMeggy D and on Facebook, and we'll have some fun giveaways and a ton of new stuff coming up. So I'll see you guys later, and I hope everyone has a great week.